Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First, search for TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. I have also added the link in the description below. And open the very first website. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on the login button in the top right corner and then select sign up now. Here you need to enter your email. For this video, I'll go with the temporary email. So open temp mail, copy the email address and paste it into TikTok Symphony. Below, choose a strong password. Check the terms and condition box and hit sign up. As I'm using it in an incognito tab, it's asking me to complete a puzzle verification. So complete the puzzle and a verification code will be sent to your email. So go back to your email inbox and wait for the email to arrive. Once you receive the email, open it, copy the code and paste it into TikTok Symphony. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you can generate reference to video, image to video and text to video. So for this video, I'll go with text to video. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it in TikTok Symphony. As you can see, this tool only provides one video model, which is Video 1.5 Pro. Select the video duration up to 12 seconds and finally hit the submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can either sign up with your personal email or personal TikTok account. It's up to you. This tool provides 1000 free credits and you can create up to 100 free AI videos, each 10 seconds long. Once your credits run out, sign up again with a different TikTok account or email, either personal or temporary, and get more free credits. Also, this free tool only generates portrait videos for YouTube Shorts or TikTok uploads. You cannot generate landscape videos with this tool. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.